Everyone said it was over, that the rotary engine was a beautiful mistake, too fragile, too inefficient, too emotional for a modern world. Mazda listened, then did the most dangerous thing an engineer can do. They waited. Because the 2026 RX-9 isn't nostalgia, it isn't a tribute, and it definitely isn't an apology. It's a statement. The rotary engine is back, and this time it came prepared. To understand why the RX-9 matters, you have to understand Mazda. This is a company that never chased dominance, never chased volume. They chased feel. While the industry standardized turbo 4s and digital numbness, Mazda kept asking a question no one else cared about. How should a car feel when it's alive? The RX lineage was their answer. Lightweight, high revving, perfectly balanced. Not fast on paper, but unforgettable on the road. And when emissions and reliability killed the rotary, Mazda didn't abandon it. They studied it. Because the rotary was never the problem, execution was. The 2026 RX-9 doesn't bring the rotary back unchanged, it evolves it. This is a next-generation twin-rotor system, lighter than a piston engine, smaller than anything in its class, and smoother than logic says it should be. No reciprocating mass, no violent vibration, just rotation, continuous, relentless. And then Mazda did something smart. They didn't chase massive horsepower, they chased balance. The RX-9 isn't built to dominate drag strips, it's built to dominate corners. Power delivery is immediate, linear, predictable, addictive. Where turbo engines hesitate, this one responds. Where heavy engines upset balance, this one disappears. The RX-9's front end feels light because it is light. Its center of gravity sits exactly where a driver wants it. This car doesn't fight physics, it cooperates with them. And that's why numbers don't tell the story here. Mazda paired the rotary with modern intelligence, thermal management that actually works, materials that survive heat, and efficiency tuned for reality, not theory. This isn't the RX-7's fragile cousin. This is a grown-up rotary, reliable, consistent, ready. And it sounds like nothing else on the road. Not loud, not angry, just mechanical perfection climbing toward redline. The chassis tells the same story. Rear-wheel drive, near-perfect weight distribution, steering that speaks in sentences, not suggestions. Mazda didn't overload it with power, they sharpened it with restraint. This is a car that rewards precision, punishes laziness, and makes skill feel valuable again. In a world of overpowered, under-communicative cars, the RX-9 brings discipline back. Design follows the same philosophy. No fake vents, no unnecessary aggression. Long hood, short rear, muscle without shouting. Every line serves airflow. Every surface has intent. Inside, the cockpit is driver first. Low seating, clear gauges,